Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 6. We will present our project. So the member from our group is Jihan Abias Nadia Sabrina, Inggi Delia Zulfa, and Linda Dwi Arianti. First, vision and mission of educational institution. The first one is designing flexible, personalized, and student-centered learning experience, and then integrating technology, learning data, and adaptive approaches to tailor to each student's need, and then developing a 20th century skill-based curriculum like communication, collaboration, critical thinking, creativity, and digital literacy, and then creating an inclusive and collaborative learning environment through online, hybrid, and face-to-face platform. And then the last one is collaborating with school, communities, and edutech startup to expand access and also improve the quality of learning. So the vision of our uh, learning is creating a generation of English learners who are independent, adaptive, creative, and competent through innovative learning that is relevant to the needs of the 21st century. Okay, so the next is leadership strategies. Instructional leadership places learning quality at the center of all English activities. In today's era of digital transformation and AI, leaders are not just administrators but also facilitators of innovation who ensure that learning stays relevant and adaptive. This approach supports teacher creativity, digital media integration, and also the development of learner-centered modules. Through routine evaluations, mini leadership roles for teacher, database decision making, and then continuous professional development. Instructional leadership strengths teaching quality and builds a collaborative cultures. As a result, English can continue to innovate while consistently maintaining high learning standards.
Okay, move to strategic plan. This part divided into three sections. The first one is short terms and long-term goals for 1 until 5 years. Second one is key strategies, and the third one is SWOT analysis. The first section will be delivered by me, the second section will be delivered by Jihan, and the third section will be delivered by Linda. In this section, English strategic plan is divided into two main stages. For the first stage, or short-term planning, our main focus on building a strong institution foundation for all programs and services. We have designed four flagship programs, which are speaking boost, adaptive grammar, TOEFL preparation, and English for Teens. At the same time, we plan to launch Basic Learning Management System or LMS platform as our main digital learning tool, and also develop adaptive modules for beginner to intermediate levels. Our target for the first year is around 80 to 100 active students, which we will reach through promotions on social media like WhatsApp, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as well as public events such as webinars, workshops, and collaborative or community classes. For the second stage or long-term planning, which cover the next 3 to 5 years, our main focus on strengthening English position as a center for technology-based adaptive learning. In this stage, we plan to develop a modern curriculum that applies several learning approaches such as adaptive learning, project-based learning, microlearning, and contextual thematic learning. We also plan to use gamification and artificial intelligence or AI to make the learning experience more personal and more engaging. For example, provide automatic feedback, suggest interesting materials, and map each student's ability more accurately. In the long term, English aims to build national-scale digital classrooms and establish international cooperation for English certification. This way, we can expand our reach and maximize the impact of adaptive learning not only in cities but also in various districts across Indonesia. Okay, the next session will be delivered by Jihan.
Okay, so let's talk about the key strategies that we use. As you can see at the slide, we use three key of strategies. First is strategies for attracting students. So, English introduced itself as a flexible and innovative learning platform through several approaches. We provide free trial programs and diagnostic tests so potential students can experience the learning process directly and receive a free initial assessment. We also maximize the use of social media by sharing short educational content to increase engagement. The second strategy is development of an innovative curriculum. The curriculum at English is designed to be modern, relevant, and aligned with the needs of today's learner. We apply an adaptive learning approach where material automatically adjusts to student abilities based on their progress. We also create real-life thematic modules such as digital literacy and workplace communication to ensure practicality. The curriculum integrates microlearning, consisting of short and focused lessons that help students with limited study time while still staying consistent in their learning journey. The third strategy is partnership. English builds collaborations with high school and vocational schools to provide additional English programs such as extracurricular classes or TOEFL preparation. The institution also works with edutech startups and learning communities to access new learning technologies and expand resources. Through CSR initiative, English offers scholarship and free classes for underprivileged students, strengthening both social impact and institutional branding. Overall, these three key strategies work together to help English grow as an innovative, competitive, and student-centered English learning institution.
Okay, so the next is for SWOT analysis for English. For strengths, first, innovative methods like AI integration, microlearning, and blended learning. Second, personalized, flexible, and engaging learning experience. Third, online-offline hybrid class flexibility. Four, young digitally minded teachers. And the last one is 20th century curriculum, like communicative, digital literacy, and problem solving. For weakness, first, new institution, like limited public reputation. Second, high dependence on technology and potential technical issues. Third, unequal student access to devices and internet. And the last one is small team, like risk of workload imbalance. For opportunities, first is growing demand for English for careers, study abroad, and global communications. The second one is schools open to external partnership. And third, post-pandemic preference for hybrid learning. And the last one, expanding market beyond geographic boundaries. For the threats are strong competition from large, established English institutions, fast-paced tech development requiring constant adaptations, and then the last one is unstable internet infrastructure in some regions.
Next, I will explain the various educational innovation implemented at English to create an engaging, effective, and modern learning experience. The first innovation is Smart Learning Path. This is an adaptive learning system that adjusts materials, difficulty levels, and activities based on each student's ability. Students begin with an initial assessment, and from there, they receive a personalized learning path. This makes the learning process more targeted, efficient, and suitable for individual needs. Second, we use speaking coach technology. English integrated AI-based pronunciation analysis using tools such as Whisper and Azure Speech Service. The system can detect pronunciation error at the phoneme level and provides real-time feedback. With this feature, students can practice speaking anytime through interactive simulation and personalized improvement suggestion. Third, we implement mini learning capsule or micro-learning. These are short learning segments lasting about 3 until 5 minutes. Each capsule focuses on a simple objective such as a grammar point or a useful daily conversation. So this method is ideal for busy students and helps improve retention because the content is concise and easy to absorb. The fourth innovation is project-based and simulation learning. So in this approach, students learn through hands-on activities such as digital storytelling, workplace role plays, or podcast creation. This method enhances communication, critical thinking, creativity, and collaboration skills. It also allows students to apply what they learn in real life context. The fifth innovation is gamification. To make learning more enjoyable, English incorporates game elements such as badge, points, weekly leaderboards, and level progression. This feature helps increase motivation, consistency, and positive competition among students. And finally, we have digital portfolio. So each student's progress is documented through an online portfolio containing videos, recordings, worksheets, and project results. This allows both the student and the teacher to track development over time. It also becomes a valuable record that students can later use for academic purpose or scholarship application. So overall, this innovation ensures that English not only provides English learning, but also creates a dynamic environment that support personalized growth and 21st century skill.
Okay, move to human resource management. Human resource management at English aims to maintain the quality of learning and the sustainability of the institution in accordance with the vision and mission as an innovative and adaptive learning center. Human resource management covers three main aspects. The first one is teacher recruitment, the second one is professional development, and the third one is teacher retention strategies. For teacher recruitment, is carried out through a rigorous selection process based on competence and digital literacy, the ability to innovate and be creative in designing classroom activities and managing learning media, the ability to adapt technological development and mastery of modern teaching methods. The selection process includes micro-teaching, digital module analysis, and assessment of the ability to use educational applications and devices. For professional development is carried out through regular training, periodic sessions for sharing innovative learning strategies, and participation in external workshops that have been organized to expand their knowledge and develop their professional skills in line with the developments in the field of education. For teacher retention strategy, to retain quality educators, English implements a retention strategy in the form of incentives such as awards and additional bonuses as a form of support for their creativity and continuous innovation, which has had a positive impact on the student learning process. It also provides clear career development opportunities such as curriculum development and others, and a supportive collaborative work environment. With this, English ensures that the quality of learning is maintained and continuously developed. So we conclude English combines adaptive leadership, well-planned strategies, relevant innovation, and strong human resource management to build a sustainable and high-quality learning institution that prepare students to face global communications challenges. This project shows the success of a modern educational institution greatly depends on adaptive leadership, strategic long-term planning, and continuous innovation in learning. By integrating technology, a contextual and adaptive curriculum, and professional human resource management, English has great potential to become an influential English language institution in this digital era. We truly believe that innovative and adaptive education is the key to shaping a generation of learners who are ready to face global challenges and lead with creativity and confidence. That's all for our presentation. We hope our presentation was clear, informative, and easy to understand. We apologize for any mistakes during our presentation. Thank you very much for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.